Looks like it came fully charged, but we're gonna go ahead and top it off. We just did 4 in a row, and we are 1 bar down on the battery. Let's see how many more tires we can fill up before it either has to cool down or run out of juice. Number 8. Okay, that's 12 tires. I don't want to overdo the battery on it, but very impressed with how many this thing was able to inflate. I don't know if I trust that little guy either, because those things seem to be very finicky about their readings. Battery's in the red, but it never stopped to overheat. And the other kind that I've been using, usually you have to give it a break every tire or so. Like for every 5 minutes of use, you got to give it like 10 minutes to cool down. And that's just too much. It's warm, but it's not hot to the touch. Look at that. Very nice. And the best part is, it's a convenient way of storing this cable, because some of the other ones I've seen, you have to stuff the cable inside, and it never seems to go back in quite the way it came out. Okay, we'll put this on the charger, see how long it takes to get this battery back up to snuff. And you have your inlet side here, probably a heat port on that end. Very happy with it. Free mode. Car, motorcycle, bicycle, basketball, sports equipment. Free mode, you can go in a full sweep of pressures. The others are limited through their ranges, so they'll only be adjustable. 51 psi, 26 psi, that's the range on the car. Inflation, so it kind of gives you a relative range. If you're not really sure where to put it, you have some questions. Like your bicycles, there's an array of tire sizes and pressures, but she'll take you all the way up to 150. Amazing. It does say in the manual that inflatable, like floating inner tubes and pool equipment, their pressure rating is below the minimum on this. Looks like our minimum here is 3 to 300. Wow, that's quite a sweep. And it goes really quick too, which is why as soon as you hit the on button, you notice that it jumps up to 3 psi. 3.5. That's a pretty powerful little motor. This thing is probably the size of a motor of a small air compressor used for like arts and crafts or airbrushes, etc. Maybe even like mild power tools. It's great. It's simple. There's not too much to it, and it's very easy to understand. So I would very much recommend this. I'll put the link for the product down below. Thank you.